Hey guys, Blake from ToyTec here with a little tech tip Tuesday for you. Today we're installing some SPC upper control arms on this new Tacoma, and we need to get the long bolt that connects it to the shock tower out. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first what you're going to want to do is disconnect the ball joint from the spindle. There is a brake line junction back here with a 12mm bolt that you need to get out of the way so you can undo the nut. And then back here behind this flap there's an electrical connector that you need to get out of the way as well. So now, I'll show you how to get this bolt out. Use one hand to jiggle the upper control arm and the other to push the bolt through. And then make sure this washer stays back on the arm and then just start pulling your bolt through. And if you feel any resistance, stick your hand back here and move any electrical wires out of the way. Slide it down, pull it out, and that's all it is.